Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the seizures. What are the require urgent care for seizure? Call the 911. Call the 911 immediately if the person stops breathing for longer than the 30 seconds. After calling 911, begin rescue breathing and CPR. The seizures last longer than 5 minutes. The person may have entered a life-threatening state of prolonged seizure called the status epilepticus. More than one seizure occur within the 24 hours. The person has diabetes or is the pregnant. This is the student first seizure. If you don't know if the person has epilepsy, serious injuries have occurred. You notice your student seems unwell. She cries out suddenly, falls down, and her body becomes stiff and starts to shake. When type of seizures do you think this might be? Tonic-clonic, absence, and focal. Case study. In the scenario, you are already aware that this student live with epilepsy and may experience a seizure while at school. Case study. This student is likely to be experience a tonic-clonic seizures. What is your next action? Option first is a call 911 and option 2, stay calm, clear a space around the student and protect them from harm. Option third is restrain the student and put something in her mouth to keep her from biting down. Next is the family responsibility. Provide specific information about their child. Consult with their doctor and provide the school with an annual medical alert planning protocol. Supply labeled medications. Make treatment decisions. Ensure students wear a medical alert identification at all times. Communicate with the school, especially when there is a significant medical change with the student. School responsibility. Ensure that school staff are aware of which students have seizures. Seizures management protocol and seizure first aid. School district policy regarding medical condition at school. Medical alert planning and request for medications forms have been received from the family. Safely store the student's labeled medication. Document seizures in a seizures record. Communicate with the family. Questions. For more information, visit the medical conditions at school page on the interior health. In today's class, I discuss about the case study for the seizures and their first aid. Thank you for watching.